Good evening. This is the 16th of August 2020. My name is Elliot. I am a friend and partner of Marcelo from Crypto Citadel, and I just thought I'd post some of my ideas that I do. I've been quite active in the group chat for 6 months now, really, and I have a different style to him. So bear with me on that, and you'll eventually hopefully get used to it and hopefully can learn a few things from me. See, I have a few ideas in mind on here. See, forgive the lag. um, on 10th of August, we had quite a powerful dump all the way to the end of the 11th. Um, we had a move of nearly 7%. I was able to get short somewhere. I believe it was at 11,900. So I was very happy with that. I knew we were coming down to this weekly level, which is the yellow one. The blue is the daily level, and the purple is a monthly. From there, we bounced. We moved up 5%, but we weren't ready to go anywhere there. We came back down to retest, and then we moved up another 5%. So from there, you could get your fills in. We moved from a weekly level there. There was too much weakness. We weren't going to stay at 12,000, so we moved down. We moved nearly full $1,000. And in Bitcoin terms, that's nothing really. Can be devastating for people if they're not trading properly, but to me, $1,000 is something you look for. You try and set your trades up, and you can take the money stages as it goes in stages down here. 1, 2, 3. Came down to 11,000 near the weekly level, and we got a bounce. We got one bounce. That doesn't mean I trade here. I do put one there. I have put a buy fill there, but it was what I'd class as a risky one because you're not sure it would come down for the second retest. That's different. That's more powerful. You can see the wick and the move up on some decent volume. That would be your first fill. That was 5%. Then it dipped down again to create a higher low, sorry. And that was powerful because then we moved up another 5%. So you got a fill here, and you're up 5%. Then it comes down again. What I do, I would have had stop loss somewhere between these levels, and I wouldn't move that. Not until I've seen enough of the price. It came back down. Stop loss is safe. I got my second fill. On that second fill, it moves my price up a little bit, so I moved my stop loss up a little bit with it, probably into just under 11,000, just to be safe. You then get a 6% bounce from here. So even if I filled at 11,285, I would be up 6%. I, in fact, was actually somewhere between it because I have different entry points, which I could show you another day. And it moved up 6%, which was lovely. Since then, I've taken about 30% of that position, which is great. But I'm waiting for more and I'll show you why. See, the Fibonacci is playing a part as always. We have it up here at 12,000 as a high, 11,100 as the low, and you'll never guess where we are bouncing off at the moment. 1, 2, and up, 3, and up, and we're coming back down again. If you're not in a position, you could look to potentially buy off here, or wait for it to come down lower to these levels. But then if it's coming down here, maybe it would continue down, but you would have to evaluate that yourself. You could look to buy tonight, and we're 2% away from 12,000, which would be a nice level again because we've struggled to get above it. And then all the way, the 1618 extension, which I like to use a lot, is 12,600, so that's the big one, 12%. That would be where I'd like to get a lot of profits. Apologies. Further than that, I have monthly level at 13,000, but I wouldn't expect it to go there in the next few days. It would have to continue up a bit, and it would have to be um, extremely bullish to get there. You never know. Bitcoin can do that. It can be very aggressive. But I just thought I'd give you some ideas of where I am at the moment and just introduce myself. Will be I am always active in the Telegram group, and I will be active on YouTube soon doing more videos. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.